Welcome to Smart Story Studio, where timeless truths come alive through powerful scripture stories filled with lessons, emotions, and transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive in. The day Makkah saw its gates open for Prophet Muhammad marked a profound moment in history. It was the 8th year of Hijrah, and the Prophet led an army of 10,000 believers to return to the city that had inflicted countless injustices upon him and his followers. Triumphantly entering Makkah, the Prophet was mindful of the ethical conduct commanded by Allah. With profound dignity and mercy, he approached the Kaaba, the sacred house of worship, purifying it from idols, declaring that truth has come and falsehood vanished. Makkah's residents, who had once been staunch opponents, anxiously awaited the judgment. Their fear was palpable, for they had opposed him, mocked him, and harmed him. Yet, Prophet Muhammad poignantly demonstrated the essence of compassion. He asked the people of Makkah, "What do you think I will do to you?" Knowing his character, they responded, "You will treat us well." The Prophet's reply echoed through time, "I speak to you as Yusuf spoke to his brothers. No reproach on you this day. May Allah forgive you, for He is the most merciful of those who show mercy." In that act of forgiveness, the Prophet conquered not only a city, but the hearts of its people. The victory was not just territorial, it was moral and spiritual. Through mercy, unity blossomed among former foes, setting a timeless paradigm for humanity. Now imagine the fear in the hearts of his enemies, those who had mocked him, tortured his companions, and spilled the blood of believers. But instead of revenge, the Prophet gathered the people and said, "What do you think I will do to you?" They replied, "You are a noble brother, the son of a noble brother." Then came the words that shook the mountains. "Go, for you are free. No punishment, no revenge. Just forgiveness." He forgave Hind, the woman who ordered the killing of his beloved uncle, Hamza. He forgave Abu Sufyan, the leader of his opposition. He forgave the ordinary and the elite, all in one breath. That day, Makkah wasn't just conquered. It was cleansed, not just by force, but by mercy. Moral: forgiveness is not weakness. It is the strength that heals hearts, unites enemies, and builds legacies. The Prophet won not just a city, but the souls of those who once hated him. Actionable plans. 1. Let go of one grudge today. Forgive someone not because they deserve it, but because you value peace. 2. Practice mercy in moments of power. When you have the upper hand, choose compassion, like the Prophet did. 3. Speak kindly to those who wronged you. Sometimes, your manners are a louder message than your words. 4. Pray for those who've hurt you. It cleanses your soul and invites Allah's mercy upon both of you. 5. Lead with character, not ego. Be remembered for your mercy, not your revenge. What a journey through faith, failure, and God's unfailing love. If this story moved you or taught you something powerful, drop a comment below and tell us what stood out the most. And don't keep this truth to yourself. Share this video with a friend who needs some light and encouragement today. Remember, here at Smart Story Studio, we tell stories that inspire, teach, and transform lives. Subscribe now for more emotional, dramatic, and truth-filled scripture stories that shape your mind and spirit. Until next time, stay inspired, stay strong, and stay rooted in the Word.